It is now time to publish and share the link to your NHS coordinator. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Home, press the Home button here so that it can take you to your main page. From there, you are going to select the Publish button that's right here on the upper right hand side of the screen. Make sure that your web address is exactly the way that you want it. Who can view my site? Make sure it's on anyone. And then from there, you're going to click on Publish. So right now what it's doing is publishing your website so that anybody that has the link can access it. So now how do we share the address? This little button right here says Copy Publish Site Link. Go ahead and click on it. And this is going to be your link for your ePortfolio. So you're going to click on Copy Link. From here, we're going to go back to the eCourse, and we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says click Next on Assessments. Scroll all the way down, and this is where you're going to submit your link. You're going to type in your first and last name, and then since you already have copied the link, you are going to click right here on this second question, and it says you press Control V. What this does is that it copies the address to this link, and you're going to click Submit. And this Google form will allow the NHS coordinator to have a record, and the NHS coordinator can actually go into your ePortfolio and check out what you have uploaded to see if it meets the NHS requirements.